welcome back to Vantastic 2021 NZ Semi-Final 6. What a mess of a race that was. I wonder how it's going to play out tonight.
I actually enjoyed Semi 6. Pure carnage, lots of excitement, and I really hope the rest of the semis and some of the finals are just as good. So first up, we've got Don Boomershine. He's behind the wheel of the King of Hearts and he's driving for Kaboom Machines. Good luck tonight, mate. And back for some more punishment, we've got Scorpio Lovesmith. He's actually contracted tonight to Power Drive Racing. He's going to be bringing Sally down the track tonight with those black fire tyres behind him. Good luck, mate.
Looking forward to this semi-finals tonight with two Aussies. Here we go. Justin A350 is the builder, the driver is Lucas, and he's driving Samurai. And up next is one of our premium diecast builders. This is Cut Rock Racing. GNR Vintage Diecast is the driver, driving yesterday's news, weighing 99.6 grams.
Right, it's time to lock the kids and your significant other outside, turn the TV up, grab a cold drink, let's go and watch Semi 7.
Another action-packed semi-final tonight. Have a look at this. Lucas hits that sidewall and he just goes for a sixer. Well, there's some winners and some losers, and let's have a look and see who's going through. And commiserations to the teams. This is the end of your line tonight in the semi-finals.
Well, Don Boomershine, you made it through the semis, especially after turning tonight into a personal demolition derby. And Scorpio Lovesmith and Power Drive Racing, well done. You and the Blackfire tyres are also through.
That's right, NZ. Some mighty fine builders there. What's your highlight out of Semi 7?
One of the great additions to Shorty is the merge into the single lane, and it's brilliant. However, it's only room for one vehicle, and tonight in race 2, that just went straight out the window. However, Don Boomershine, he came through at 150 mile an hour and cleared his own path. That was amazing.
Yeah, that merger is a classic when you get a lot of vans trying to get through it. The highlight for me is race 4. Look at that van, Justin A350, let's go again. Then the battle to get across the line first between these three vans. What a sensational race. Once again, thank you to NZ and to all the builders that have entered this competition and to our race stewards for making this event possible. Until next time, catch you later.